Kerak salo Rajakhora Aglini Pragnaba Bano Khlaijakha Northeast Global Investor Summit Tripura Round Table Panda. Pandawa Naroyo Kora Ngai Manjakha Hasteni Montri Okra Dr. Manik Shaha. Manjakha Hasteni Industries and Commerce Minister Shushanto Chakma. Donor Secretary Lok Ranjante Hasteni Chief Secretary G.K. Singha.
Tripura hasteo fatar hastini tebo investor rok fai kubang invest khlai manani nahar mungo krak shalo Rajakhora Aglini Pragna Bhavano Khlaijakha Northeast Global Investor Summit Tripura Round Table Pandao narwai okra ngai manjaka hastini Montri okra Dr. Manik Shaha manjaka hastini Industry and Commerce Minister Shantona Chakma Donor Secretary Lok Ranjan ta hastini Chief Minister J.K. Sinha asalni Round Table Pandawa Dhalai District of Medical College tangnani bagai investor rok by MOU signature khlaika haste hafang abo haikeno ashalo dalbidal beremo bebagai kaichar investor rok by MOU signature khlaika haste hafang kaichar investor rok ni rangmari bebagai 312.38 crore abo haikeno Dhalai District of Medical College Khlaina ni bagai 247 crore rangmari narukjakha.
At the outset, I must congratulate you for your valuable participation in this summit. I am very happy when I saw that about 8 industrialists have come here and already signed the MOU with the government of Tripura. I am very happy, and the total amount is rupees 312.38 crores. Really, it is amazing. I never have thought of. When I heard that they are coming here and to sign the MOU, I was very much eager to see, and that I have seen here, I have witnessed. Really, I am very happy. For any development of the state or country, the connectivity is very important. Already since morning, most probably the brainstorming session has been occurred here. I need not tell or repeat the same thing, but I should, because I am here to say something at least. So I don't want to repeat, even though I have to tell. Anyway, so connectivity is very important, particularly for Tripura. During our childhood, we never had thought of that Tripura will have national highway. Now we have 7 national highways. Then, by the grace of our Pradhan Mantri, Sri Narendra Modi ji, we are blessed that he has given us this Hira model. So, each for national highway, already 7 national highway already finished, and more highways are coming up. Internet regarding this matter also here they have talked about. Internet, I think this is the 3rd strongest gateway in India, and everybody is utilizing this internet facilities. So here the investors or other peoples who have come here and joined, really it is a very good thing that you can utilize this one. Already our Chief Secretaries have already said that in Delhi also sometimes, we also have come across that this problem, internet is not very good in Delhi, but in Tripura you will get this opportunity.
Asalni Round Table Pandawa bebagai 141 investor rok manjak phaimani koktuma phatar hasteni phaijak asak kubangma investor rok no mane pelai kha tongtok jaka hasteni Montri okra Dr. Manik Shaha Rajakhora Aglini simi Krishanoni kokthum Chini Khorang
প্রণাম নেবেন মিশ্র বাবু।
আরে প্রণাম তো নামকে মারো গুলি, তোমার থেকে প্লাই নিয়ে আমাকে এখন কাটতে হচ্ছে, তার উপর আমার গিন্নিরও চোট লাগলো।
মিশ্র বাবু, ওই দিন আমি আমার বিশেষ দূরবীন দিয়ে দেখলাম আপনার গিন্নি যখন বাজারে সবজি কিনতে যাচ্ছিল তখন একটি কালো বিড়াল ওনার রাস্তা কাটলো। এই জন্যই তো আপনার প্লাইটা ভেঙে গেল মশাই। অশুভ তো হওয়ারই ছিল। এখন ভোগুন। পরবর্তী কলার আপনিও হতে পারেন। আর যদি আমি বলি আপনি রাত্রিবেলায় নখ কাটছিলেন বলে আপনার প্লাই খারাপ হয়ে গেল, তাহলে সত্যি কথা বলতে কি, যদি আপনি প্লাই স্টোরি থেকে প্লাই কিনতেন তাহলে আপনাকে আজ এই দুর্দিনটা দেখতে হতো না।